Hello students. Next chapter, determinants. Definition: for n greater equal to, the determinant means determinant of A of an n-by-n matrix A is the sum of n terms of the form plus minus Aij into determinant of Aij with alternate plus and minus signs, where A equal to matrix with entry Aij and Aij denotes the submatrix formed by deleting ith row and jth column from A. Symbolically, determinant of A equal to A11 into determinant of A11 plus A12 into determinant of A12 plus A13 into determinant of A13 plus and so on, plus minus 1 raised to 1 plus n A1n determinant of A1n equal to summation of minus 1 raised to I plus j Aij into determinant of Aij, j running from 1 to n. Next theorem: let A be an n-by-n matrix, then the cofactor expansion across the ith row is determinant of A equal to Ai1 into Ci1 plus Ai2 into Ci2 plus and so on plus Ain into Cin. The cofactor expansion down the jth column is determinant of A equal to Aij into Cij plus A2j into C2j plus and so on plus Anj into Cnj. The sign of Cij depends on the position of Aij in the matrix A. If I plus j is even number, then Cij greater than 0. Else, if I plus j is odd number, then Cij less than 0 regardless of sign of Aij. Next example, let us compute the determinant of some matrices using a cofactor expansion technique. We have seen already in 11th and 12th standard how to find a determinant of matrix. Here 3 by 3 matrix, so determinant of A equal to 2 into cancelling first row and first column, remaining terms are 0, 3, 1, 5. Here plus sign, so here minus sign, and next term is 3, cancelling first row and second column, remaining terms are 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, plus minus plus minus 3 first row third column, remaining terms are 4, 0, 6, 1, 4, 0, 6, 1 equal to 2 into determinant of this matrix is 0 into 5 0 minus 3 into 1 3 minus 3 into determinant of this matrix is 4 into 5 20 minus 6 into 3 18 plus minus 3 means minus 3 into determinant of this matrix 4 minus 0 into 6 0 equal to 2 into minus 3 20 minus 18 is 2 minus 3 into 4 equal to minus 6 minus 12, which is equal to minus 24. So determinant of A equal to minus 24. Next, find determinant of A, where A is 4 by 4 matrix with entries 3 0 0 0 7 minus 2 0 0 2 6 3 0 3 minus 8 4 minus 3. So determinant of A equal to 3, deleting first row and first column, remaining terms minus 2 0 0 6 3 0 minus 8 4 minus 3. Next terms are 0 into minus 0 into remaining terms plus 0 into remaining terms minus 0 into remaining terms. Here 0 into something means here value is 0. So 3 into determinant of this matrix is 3 into minus 2 into remaining term is 3 0 4 minus 3 and 2 values are 0, so here we neglect, equal to 3 into minus 2 determinant of this matrix is 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 4 into 0 0 equal to minus 6 into minus 9 equal to 54. So determinant of A equal to 54. Next, compute determinant of 104, 23, 2, 0, 5 minus 2. So here determinant of 104, 232, 0, 5 minus 2 equal to 1 into, now here we direct write 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 5 into 2 10 minus 0 means here term is 0. So plus 4 into 5 into 2 10 minus 0 into 3 0 equal to minus 6 minus 10 equal to minus 16 plus 4 into 10 equal to minus 16 plus 40. 40 minus 16, 24. So determinant of this matrix is 24. Next theorem, if A is a triangular matrix, then determinant of A is the product of the entries on the main diagonal of A. Next are the examples on the triangular matrices. Compute the determinants of the following elementary matrices. First 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 k1. This is the lower triangular matrix. So determinant of this matrix are nothing but the product of the entries on the main diagonal. Means suppose let A equal to this matrix. So determinant of A equal to diagonal entries are 1 1 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. Here second matrix is also triangular matrix, lower triangular. So determinant of this matrix are nothing but the product of the entries on the main diagonal. Let B equal to this matrix. So determinant of B equal to diagonal entries are 1 1 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. Next 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is not a triangular matrix because this is not a upper triangular as well as lower triangular. So determinant of this matrix find in usual method. So let's A equal to this matrix. So determinant of A equal to 0 into 0 minus 1 1 equal to minus 1. Determinant of A equal to minus 1. Next, verify that determinant of E into A equal to determinant E into determinant of A, where E is the elementary matrix given below and A equal to ABCD. First E equal to 1k 0 1. Let's solve first example. First E equal to 1k 0 1 and A equal to ABCD. First find E into A equal to 1k 0 1 ABCD equal to A plus CK B plus DK CD. Find determinant of E into A equal to cross multiplication A plus CK into D minus B plus DK into C equal to AD plus CKD minus BC minus BCK CKD CKD not BD DKC CKD DCK cancel equal to AD minus BC. Next find determinant of E. Determinant of E is 1. Determinant of A equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Therefore, determinant of E into A equal to AD minus BC equal to 1 into AD minus BC. 1 is determinant of E and AD minus BC is determinant of A. So here we verified determinant of E into A equal to determinant of E into determinant of A. Second and third example is your exercise where E equal to 10 K1 and E equal to 0 1 1 0. Verify that determinant of E into A equal to determinant of E into determinant of A. Next, properties of determinants theorem. Let A be a square matrix first if a multiple of one row of A is added to another row to produce a matrix B, then determinant of B equal to determinant of A. Second, if two rows of A are interchanged to produce B, then determinant of B equal to minus determinant of A. Next, if one row of A is multiplied by K to produce B, then determinant of B equal to K into determinant of A. This is useful for the solving examples. Next theorem, a square matrix A is invertible if and only if determinant of A is not equal to 0. Means if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then square matrix A is invertible. Next corollary, if columns of A are linearly dependent, then determinant of A equal to 0. And similarly, if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then columns of A are linearly independent. We have already seen that. Next example, find the determinants by row reduction to echelon form. First, row reduction method. Suppose we transform matrix A to echelon form U using row replacement and R row interchanges only, then from theorem this we see that determinant of A equal to minus 1 raised to R determinant of U. The matrix U is in echelon form, that is, it is a triangular matrix. So its determinants is a product of diagonal elements. Means when we reduce this matrix in row echelon form, we get upper triangular matrix. So determinant of this matrix are nothing but the product of the entries of the main diagonal entries of the row echelon form of this matrix. So first convert this matrix in row echelon form. Right, given matrix A equal to 1 3 0 2 minus 2 minus 5 7 4 3 5 2 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 3. Next, apply row operations. Row operations, R2 plus 2R1, R3 minus 3R1, R4 minus R1. First row as it is of that matrix 1 3 0 2. Second, third, fourth row becomes 0 1 7 8, 0 minus 4 2 minus 5, 0 minus 4 2 minus 5. Next row operation is R3 plus 4R2, R4 plus 4R2. So first two row as it is 1 3 0 2 0 1 7 8. Third and fourth row becomes 0 0 30 27, 0 0 30 27. Next row operation is R4 minus R3. First three row as it is 1 3 0 2 0 1 7 8, 0 0 30 27, 0 0 0 0. So this is nothing but the upper triangular matrix, means this is a triangular matrix. So determinant of A equal to product of diagonal entries 1 into 1 into 30 into 0 equal to 0. Diagonal entries are 1 1 30 0. Next example, combine the methods of row reduction and cofactor expansion to compute the determinant of matrix. A equal to 3 4 minus 3 minus 1 3 0 1 minus 3 minus 6 0 minus 4 3 6 8 minus 4 minus 1. First write given matrix A equal to 3 4 minus 3 minus 1 3 0 1 minus 3 minus 6 0 minus 4 3 6 8 minus 4 minus 1. Next, reduced it into row echelon form. Only 2 to 1 row operation apply, means first row operation is only this entry becomes 0, R2 minus R1, R3 plus 2R1 and R4 minus 2R1. We get first row as it is 3 4 minus 3 minus 1, next 0 minus 4 4 minus 2, 0 8 minus 10 1 0 0 2 1. So here in example given that combine the methods of row reduction and cofactor expansion. For cofactor expansion we stop row operation here. Now we use cofactor expansion. So determinant of A equal to 3 into, delete first row and first column, we get minus 4 4 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 1 0 2 1. Here cancelling first row, this column is 0, so when we put minus 4 into this term, minus 3 into this term and plus 1 into this term are 0. So we write only 3 into minus 4 4 minus 2 8 minus 10 1 0 2 1. We get 3 into determinant of this matrix is minus 4 into minus 10 minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 minus 2 minus 16, which is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 12 minus 4 into here plus 8 not minus 8, 4 into plus 8 minus 2 into plus 16 equal to 3 into 48 minus 32 minus 32 equal to 3 into 16 minus 32 equal to 3 into minus 16 equal to minus 48. So determinant of A equal to minus 48. We combine two methods, row reduction and cofactor expansion. Next example, if determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I equal to 7, then evaluate the following determinants. These are three matrices. We use properties of this theorem. If a multiple of one row of A is added to another row to produce a matrix B, then determinant of B equal to determinant of A. Here two rows in second matrix R1 plus R2. So determinant of this equal to determinant of this by 1. And next if two rows of A are interchanged to produce B, then determinant of B equal to minus determinant of A. Here R1 interchanged by R2 means determinant of this matrix equal to minus determinant of this matrix. Next is if one row of A is multiplied by K to produce B, then determinant of B equal to K into determinant of A. Here third row is multiplied by 3, so determinant of this matrix equal to determinant of this matrix into 3. So first determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, 3G, 3H, 3I equal to 3 into determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I equal to 3 into 7 equal to 21. Next, determinant of a plus d, b plus e, c plus f, d, e, f, g, h, I equal to determinant of a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I equal to 7. Next, determinant of D, E, F, A, B, C, G, H, I equal to minus determinant of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I equal to minus 7. Here we stop.